Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error right-click loading forever Windows 11. To start, enter regedit in the search box. Open the System Registry Editor, click Yes to access. After that, go to the path that you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now, in the Handlers menu context key, you are only going to leave the values New and Work folders. For the others, right-click and select Delete. You must click Yes to confirm this. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.